Welcome to Motorcycle News Channel. Unveiled to the world along with the production-ready 790 Duke at the 2017 EICMA, KTM gave goosebumps showing an Enduro motorcycle underpinned by the same mechanical as the Duke, the 790 Adventure R. It is the lightweight Enduro motorcycle the adventure community has been waiting for. The 799cc mill developed by KTM is their first parallel twin engine on any machine coming out of the Austrian endorsement, running first on the naked Street Fighter Duke 790. KTM has wrapped around it the 790 Adventure R Enduro Model 2 with the bike. KTM believes they've got the most performance-focused mid-weight travel Enduro of its class, with the dynamism and power-to-weight ratio normally found in larger displacement bikes. The Dakar-inspired bodywork, beefier swing arm, larger spoken wheels, skid plate, handguards, high-mount exhaust and stubby tires developed for ADV customers who are looking at getting something with seriously rugged looks and off-road capabilities.